Hey, it's Kellar Lawrence. Spooky season is upon us. Did you know that many years ago, the first Halloween celebrations called Sa'un in those days were seriously meant to appease the walking dead? Hey, I wanted to let you know that the October issue of my Homeward Bound real estate newsletter is on its way to you. And in this month's issue, I give you a little Halloween trivia and also offer you and those you know an exclusive guarantee. You'll also learn about Greenwood Community Home Repair and why we are on a mission to raise $25,000 for this incredible worthy cause. Greenwood Community Home Repair, which used to be called Greenwood Area Habitat for Humanity, is a nonprofit organization that helps homeowners throughout Greenwood County improve and maintain their living conditions and thereby their overall quality of life. Greenwood Community Home Repair addresses the pressing issues of housing shortage and instability by repairing and improving existing homes throughout Greenwood County. And we believe that repairing homes is the key to restoring vibrant neighborhoods, economy, and communities. And we do this by donating a portion of our income from homes that we sell to them. The service provided by Greenwood Community Home Repairs allows residents to remain safely in their homes and also ensure that affordable housing is currently available in the neighborhood and not lost due to homeowners' ability to afford the maintenance on it. This organization depends on donations to provide their leading edge work and keep family housing costs down to a minimum. So when you hear me say that your referrals help the families in the area, they really do. So who do you know that might be considering buying or selling a home that you could refer to my real estate team? Not only will they benefit from our award-winning service, but Greenwood Community Home Repair will benefit as well. Just give me a call or pass on my number to anyone that you know that might be considering buying or selling. My number is 864-942-8991. And thank you for checking out this month's Homeward Bound Real Estate News. I hope you have a great Halloween.